How is it possible to manage all your social media platforms, where today we have so many platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and you need to constantly keep your content rolling out in order to engage your audience, to sustain your brand or your business or your personal influence. Now, by the end of this video, you'll discover one very simple technique that I personally use to create one content and multiply them to all of these platforms in a very easy manner. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, for you guys who are seeing me for the first time, this is Kionz here. I'm a filmmaker as well as a content creator, and I'm an entrepreneur. So in today's video series, I'm going to share with you how to simplify your content creation and in the same time take care of all these social media platforms. Okay guys, so many of us today are struggling with more and more social media platforms out there, and the audience are pretty much diversified. Back then you just have YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and now even TikTok is upcoming. So how do you manage this? This is what I do to create one main content and then publish it to all of these different sites. But here is the trick. You can't publish the same content to all these different sites. You have to choose one main platform that you want to focus on to gather your traffic, to gather your followings, which will give you the highest and best return. Now for me, I will choose YouTube. The reason being is YouTube is much more profound and it has much more advantage. I did a video on this particular topic on why I chose YouTube out of all the different platforms. The YouTube link is down there at the description as well as the card up here. Do check that out. It's very important, and you would possibly want to consider as well whether you want to put your attention onto YouTube or Facebook. There is a strong reason behind why I chose YouTube over Facebook. Alright, so each and every time when I produce a content like this, a long and full version content, it will be on YouTube. And what I'll do later on is to cut them down into a smaller teasers in order to fit the different criteria of the social media platforms. Alright, for instance, like Facebook, if this video is 6 minutes long, I will cut half, probably 3 minutes, in order to have that value still serving on my Facebook platform, still serving my Facebook audience, giving them that value about what is this video is all about and how this video can give them a value, but it is just probably half of it. And if they want to watch the full version and the other half, they will have to click on the link and come to the YouTube channel. Whereas in the Instagram, where you have your Instagram stories as well as your Instagram videos, which is just 1 minute in length, you can actually cut it down to a 1 minute length video and then upload onto your Instagram video, as well as cut it down to a 15 seconds short video teaser, which is good enough to tease people to drive the traffic to your YouTube channel. So upload that onto your Instagram story. So this is how I manage with just one content and post it all across different platforms. So I would not put either one platform onto the cold seat, where each and every platform of mine, all the followers on these different platforms, they are well served. And the advantage of that is that you could able to drive those traffics from pages as well as Instagram followers to your YouTube channel and make them your YouTube subscriber and follower as well. Okay, so guys, if you find this video really giving you value for the time being, please do me a favor. Please hit the share button so that more people can actually see this video, as well as hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss awesome videos in the future where the topic covers how to create a better content, how to make videos better, and how to build business, which I'm going to share you in some other videos in the future. Alright guys, so do also let me know on the comments below on what kind of topic that you guys would want me to do in the future in regards of business building or content creations, how to build your YouTube channel, how to make better content, how to build Facebook page and stuff like that. You can comment below and let me know what is your thoughts about this video, as well as what kind of video you would like me to share with you guys in this kind of subject matters. Okay guys, so that is all for my video sharing today. I hope you enjoyed that and get a lot of value from this video. Please do help me to press the share button as well as subscribe to this channel, and not to forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well as Telegram. All the links are described below on the description box. Okay guys, and until the next video, I hope to see you in my upcoming video. Bye.